All right, here we go, folks. So the power is out. I live on the south side of Rockdale County, right off Christian Circle. So look at all that icicle and everything. So, oh my gosh. We're gonna see how this is gonna work. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna turn my gas valve on. Cut it on slow. I hear my neighbor, he's got his generator going. So, oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Let's see, I won't have to choke it, but it'll get a little loud at first, folks. Hold on. I forgot to purge the propane. Let's see. All right, it should crank now. Had to push the button to purge it. All right. See, that tank could be frozen. All right, give it another try. Alright, so there we go, folks. It's a running. Gonna let it come up to temperature. Alright, just show you. Power lines. I don't know if it's going to show the ice on the trees and everything, but it's on the power lines. So I'm going to go ahead and let her warm up a little bit and then cut the power on.